Hi guys, so here we are going to learn the second slide of our PowerPoint presentations, that is University of ABC. In this slide, again go to the home tab, this, and then the second is title and content slide. In this slide, we will learn how to use bullets, first level, second level, and so on. So this is the title and content slide. Here we can write down the title of this slide, and here we will write down the contents. So suppose we have to write down the departments. If you want to bring it in the center, if you want to change the color, but we will set our presentation at the end. So suppose the first department is business administration, right? So by default, again, you will see this kind of bullet, but if you want to change, first I will show you, open this arrow and you will see different bullets. And this is the 1, 2, 3 ABC in Roman or small ABC, whatever you want. So select this and then open this, what type of bullet you want. Suppose in this case, we want a star bullet, this one. Right, if you want to change the color of these star bullet, again open this arrow, bullets and numbering, and then this is the color. Open this, what color you want. If I say red, and okay, right? So business administration, and this is called the first level bullet, right? Here we have to write down the subjects, which subjects are taught in the business administration. So we have to write down here what you have to do. This is this one is the increase list level. So 1, 2, 3, right? This is the third level bullet. And which bullet you want? Suppose I need this bullet here. Here you can write down in business administration. Suppose they have accounting, they have some finance courses, and then suppose they have marketing, etc. Right? Now we have another department, which is the IT department, right? And again I have to write down the IT department in the first level bullet. So what you have to do here in the paragraph group, this is the decrease list level. So 1, 2, 3, right? It's up to you. If you want, you can make it second level or third level, whatever you do. Okay, this is the IT department, and then again in IT department we have to write down the subjects here, right? One way is this one, right? Increase list level. Second way is with the help of your keyboard, just press tab 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and which arrow you want. In IT, suppose we have R programming, we have suppose C++, and we have suppose statistics, etc. Right? So this is our second slide. In this slide, we have learned how to make the bullets, how to use first level, second or third level bullets, right? I hope you have enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching it.